Good morning! God damn it. Oh no, I wasn't filming. You can do it again. Come on. Where is Holland? Woo, there it is! Anyway, welcome today. The light cut. I don't know how to. Better. I don't know where you live, but we live in a snowy place. We are. Which April is today? I don't know. Anyway, it's more than 20 centimeters of snow outside already, and it's been snowing for, let's say, 6-7 hours.
Previous week I was wearing shorts.
Yeah, and now we are back to wearing pulleys and sweaters and so on. Let me just show you. Just look at this. Hope you saw something, and we'll see you under the barbell. As you can see, it's Tuesday, so it's hamstrings. We are doing 70 kilos, going a little bit easy. Yesterday was a hell of a day, as you probably saw on the clip. I'm still recovering from that. Alan's legs are in shatters. Mine not so much, but I also didn't do as much as Alan did. After that it's gonna be bench, as always, and some rows. And I think that's it for today. Hope you enjoy. If you do enjoy, just hit that like and it will turn blue, like Alan. No, Alan's not blue. This is how you deal with the snow. Bram! Isn't that right, Alan? Your father is OP!
We will see if Ailstorm copyrights us. This is the new band on our channel now.
No, that's why. Yeah. For today's question, since you saw what is outside, what's the weather like at your place, huh? We've never asked a weather question, so today is the day.
We are in process of warming up for bench together with supersetting, chin up and chin up. Hey! We're gonna punch you right in the balls. My dear viewers, we will not punch you in the balls. But if you like the video, I mean...
Definitely won't punch you. Let's go, Alan. If you do these pull-ups very, very nicely, you are deserved to get this. Look at it. Let's go. Nicely done. Come on, the dessert is waiting for you. Those are very beautiful. Push it, last one. Oh, not last one, I guess, second to last one. Nice. You deserve that shit.
Yay!
I don't know how you call this. I know how you call it in our language, but in your language, I mean in English,
I don't know. Candy.
just, I guess, homemade candy. Let's go to the bench. 2 ball, 4-4, 115.
Come on! Damn it.
Wait, this. Do it.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Let's go.
Collect the anger.
Ah! If you do it, you really are. You really do deserve that dish. Nice. Nice, come on, push it. One more, come on, easy. Oh, nice.
But it's heavy.
Just did our third set of pull-ups. I wanted to ask you, Alan, how do you feel knowing that there is less than 24 hours until Smolov squat tomorrow?
The ignorance is a bliss, so I just pretend like no squat forever.
We are Why Not Squat! The reason I asked him what are his feelings for tomorrow, because I have only one question: why do I hate myself? But I don't hate you guys for liking this video, because I know you won't do that. That was it for today. We just did our final set of 2 board press as you saw in the previous clip. Now it's just some stretches for our lower back. Gotta take care of that lower back. No, yeah, dude. Anyway, see you tomorrow with a smaller squat. Pray for our survival. Yeah, pray for our survival. And just good luck. Bye bye, Alan. Bye bye.